Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from HobbyLink International. So you have some yellow decals? I have some yellow decals. My friend Joe over at Mad Genius Productions, he sent me over a 1/48 scale Messerschmitt airplane, World War II, we all know that, and the decals had yellowed on it. So I went searching around the internet and YouTube and stuff like that, and I seen the most common one, which I already had known, and most of us do know that we can take our decals and put them out in the sun for 24, 48, 72 hours. And most of the time it does take away that yellowing and you'll have a white set of decals again. So I was thinking about it and I thought about it a lot and I was like, you know what? Why put them out in the sun when I have a controlled environment in the house? So if you have a 3D printer and you have a wash and cure station with the UV light on it, the UV light is going to work just like the sun. So I took my decals and I put them into the UV machine and they started to work. I didn't go through the whole process. I did about 6 hours and you'll see the lightening up. I think if I do them for probably anywhere between 15 and 24 hours, I'll get a good result or a better result. And if I go further than that, I will get them pure white, but I didn't want to have to go through a whole series of pictures. The pictures I have are enough to give you the idea of what's going to happen with them. They just need a longer period of time. And one disclaimer with this video, they are German military markings. So I did blur out a certain marking and I omitted it from most of the pictures, and that is just because I don't feel like anybody that is not historically correct or is very sensitive about that symbol. They don't like history for some reason. I omitted it from this video, but for any builds that I do, if that symbol is on the vehicle, plane, ship, whatever it may be, that symbol will be on there because it is historical. Simple as that. Let's get over to showing you what we did with the decals and we'll talk to you at the end. In our first photo, you can see here that the crosses have the yellow in the white and also in the triangle and the dashes, and some of the markings on the side all have yellowed. So we're going to try to correct that by using the UV curing light from our 3D printer. Here you can see the decals are on the UV curing station. I left the silver plate there for reflection, but I did take out the spindle that would rotate the plate if you had a 3D model in there. I'm going to let you just watch the rest of the video and see the difference in color. Like I said, this is only 6 hours. It could use more curing to get them whiter. And here you can see a side-by-side of how they were yellow at the beginning, and after 6 hours the yellow has disappeared almost and is almost white. So a few more hours and I think we'd have that nice shiny white. And here again you can see the triangles are yellowed out, and on the picture to the right you can see the triangles are much whiter than before. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. I hope you liked it and I hope it helps you out, especially if you have a 3D wash and cure at home where you can do your own decals and get the yellow out of them. I don't guarantee it's going to work on all of them because it might not, but it should work on most of them. If you enjoyed this video, please throw a like on it. It helps the algorithm spread it around to other people. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. If you'd like some more quick tips like this, throw it in the comments section below and I'll try to do my best to get a video out for you. I hope everybody's taking care of themselves out there. I hope you have a great night. Take care and bye-bye everybody.